To aid usability and productivity, keyboard support has been improved in Uniface 10.402 patch 32. You can press Alt-D to give the U-bar focus, Control-Tab and Control-Shift-Tab to cycle between editor tabs, Control and F7 to compile, Control-Shift F7 to compile and test, Control F4 to close the current editor, Control-Shift F4 to close all editors, and a variety of other editor shortcuts, such as Control-K to comment and Control-Shift-K to uncomment. You can edit user keys in usys.ini. For more information, search the documentation for user key.